Hi everyone, I'm Chef Angela Rose Capana from Eat Your Heart Out Edibles. I'm a personal chef and I create custom meals for my clients. But now I want to share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes from my kitchen to yours. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to click the subscribe link below. Hey guys, so today I'm teaching you how to make cloud bread. It's just a few simple ingredients. I've been keeping things real simple lately so I get in and out of the kitchen because it's still so hot out. So you just need egg whites for this, some sugar, and cornstarch. So actually it's a 3-ingredient recipe. So you can use, of course, fresh eggs, but for simplicity's sake, I'm going to use egg whites, liquid egg whites. So you need 6 tablespoons. And you're gonna put this into a stand mixer, or you're gonna have to blend this with your hand mixer because you need to have like soft peaks form. So unless you wanna be sitting forever and really getting an arm workout in, you need one of the two. So 6 tablespoons of egg whites into my mixer. And then I need 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2.5. I'm using white sugar here. And then you need a tablespoon of cornstarch. Put that in. Level it off with my finger. All right, so 6 tablespoons egg whites, 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. And you're gonna whip this together until peaks start to form. So it's gonna take a couple minutes, but let the machine do the work for you. If you want, you could always add some food coloring to it. You'll see when I'm done how cool this looks. So you can make it blue, pink, purple. The kids would think it's really cool. Or you could add some seasoning if you want it, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, chives. But this is a baker's basic recipe. So here we go. Doesn't really say.
A few moments later.
Wow, this is a TikTok thing.
A little later. One eternity later.
I mean, this may be a 3-minute recipe, but it's not, or a 3-ingredient recipe, but it's not 3 minutes. I've just answered 4 emails. I think we're there now. So joking aside, you are gonna have to whip this for a good like 5 to 8 minutes. So definitely a solid 5 to get like stiff peaks to form. So like I said, you don't wanna do this by hand, but this is what you are looking for. You can see when I pull my whisk up, the peaks are forming. So now on my parchment-lined baking pan, I'm going to form a little dome, a fluff, so it looks like a cloud. Get it? Cloud bread. And I have my oven set to 300 degrees, so a little lower than you normally do with standard baking, which is normally like a 350 degree oven. So now you're gonna make it into a little cloud. But, I mean, clouds are all in different shapes, but like a little dome. And I'm gonna pop this little sucker into the oven at 300 degrees for 20 minutes. Come back in 20 and you'll see the fluffiest little cloud bread ever. There we go. So 20 minutes have come and gone. I let this cool for a minute, and I don't know if it looks exactly like a cloud, but on like a rainy day maybe, I don't know. I'll be honest, I got this off of TikTok because I thought it would be fun to try. But nothing's ever as good as you see. But I'll taste it and we'll see. So let's cut it in half. Ooh, it's jiggly. I guess clouds are jiggly. Ooh. Oh, it's fluffy like a cloud. That's what it is. I think it actually feels like angel food cake. All right, I'm gonna taste it. Mmm. This is angel food cake. If you put strawberries and whipped cream on here, it'd be really good. It's not bad. It doesn't look like a cloud. I've never eaten a cloud before, so I don't know. I mean, I've tasted rain, and rain comes from a cloud, so this doesn't taste like rain, and it tastes like angel food cake. But it's not worth all the time in the mixer. I don't know. Give it a shot. This was your recipe of the day for me. Bye.